Hey guys, what's up? My name is Erica Andrea. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm going to be giving you guys my updated review on this custom unit from Dharmaraycollection. I'm also going to show you guys how I tone this hair to the perfect blonde ever for my skin tone. As you guys can see, I will have on the screen what the hair looked like before, and you guys can see how it looks now. I'm going to show you how I toned it. I'm going to show you how I styled it, all of that good stuff. So let's get right on into the video. So first things first, to tone the hair, I used 2 1/4 bottles of Wella T27 toner. If you've seen my perfect blonde for women of color video, that video did really well on my channel. I used the same exact toner. This is my favorite type of blonde for my skin tone. The mixture was 1 to 2, so I did 1 bottle of toner and then I filled up that bottle twice with developer. I think I used 20 volume developer. I'll have it on the screen, of course, and I mixed that up. I ended up only using about 2 1/4 of a bottle of the Wella T27 toner. So I mixed it all up and I applied it to the hair nice and evenly, and you really want to make sure you kind of move quick with this. I was moving kind of slow, and by the time I finished half of the hair, it already started changing color. You'll notice that as you apply the toner, over time, it'll change colors. It's perfectly fine, and honestly, it's gonna look much darker than it will once you wash it all out. But yeah, for that reason, you want it to process equally all around the unit. You don't want like one side of the hair to get the toner for longer than the other side. So make sure you're moving pretty quick. That was one mistake I made, but I used a brush to paint the toner on, and I went from root to tip, and I really made sure to really get in there and make sure I was getting every single strand, and that worked out pretty great. I did let it sit for an additional 20 to 30 minutes, and it did take me around 20 minutes to apply all of the toner. So overall, the process took about 40 minutes, not too long at all. So once I let the hair sit and I felt like all of the hair was saturated and able to absorb the toner, I rinsed it out with warm water, and then I conditioned with my Aussie Moist conditioner. I didn't record myself washing the hair. I felt like that was self-explanatory. Then I went ahead and let the hair air dry for a little bit, and once it was about like halfway dry, I decided to use the blow dryer and blow dry it. Okay, so I would advise against this because once I started blow drying, I started getting a lot more shedding. And if you guys remember, in my original review, I told you guys that the shedding really wasn't that bad. And honestly, that's still true. The shedding isn't that bad. You just get a couple of strands. I don't know if you guys can see, but I did get a couple of strands just now, and I did get a lot of hair out of this wig when I was blow drying it. So if you can air dry it all the way, like sit it outside or whatever the case and let it fully dry, do that. But I sped up the process a little bit, so I blow dried it and it looked gorgeous, and then I went ahead and straightened it. So now that you guys have a little bit of an idea of how I tone the hair, I'm going to show you guys how I styled it to get this super duper cute pretty waves, and I'll throw in a couple additional hairstyles for you guys to try out as well. So I have all that footage for you right now. Okay, so first thing I did was section off the hair so that I can flat iron it. And you guys, this hair flat ironed so beautifully. It got so silky smooth, and it didn't look dry and crusty like how blonde hair looks sometimes. So Dharmaraycollection did a really good job with whatever vendor they used to get their 613 hair, because even after I toned it, you guys can see that it looks so shiny and beautiful. So yeah, I'm just gonna straighten the whole head and show you guys what it looks like. Look at that, y'all. Come on, and look at the body. Look at that. So at this point I decided, maybe I could do like a little half up, half down with some flat iron curls for you guys. And as you guys know, I like to wear my frontal wigs glueless because I cannot be bothered. So I'm not doing this super tight, and I'm not tugging and pulling at the hair too much because I don't want to pull the wig off my head. But yeah, just gonna take out these little 2 pieces in the front and start curling. These are flat iron curls I decided to do. If you guys want me to do a dedicated video on how I do flat iron curls, I can definitely do that for you guys, but I sped this up, you know, it's the flick of the wrist for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and curl the hair and show y'all how it turned out. And pretty much that is how it turned out. It looks super fluffy, super soft. I love this look, but you know me, I didn't keep it like this. I ended up taking it down and letting the curls fall, but baby, look at that. So fluffy, so bouncy. I just wanted to show you guys the versatility of this hair and how well it holds a curl. It looks amazing. Shout out to Dharmaray Collection because girl, it is looking bomb. So this is the final look, you guys. This is how it ended up turning out. I am obsessed with this color blonde. It's so cute. I threw on a little headband. I let the curls drop a little bit before I came back and recorded this for you guys. But it just looks so cute and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Let me know how you guys would have styled this hair in the comments below. Ooh, and also let me know what color hair you guys want me to try next because I'm thinking about putting a color on top of this. I really love the blonde, but maybe I should give y'all a colored moment. So let me know in the comments below what color I should try next. If you guys are on the market for a custom unit, check out Dharmaray Collection. She could literally give you whatever you need, girl, and the quality is great. I would highly suggest shopping with Dharmaray Collection. I will have all of their information in the description box below. Follow them on Instagram and make sure you book my girl. She always has wigs on hand, but she also takes custom orders. So let her know what you need and she got you. So hopefully this was really helpful. And I know a lot of people say that black girls can't wear blonde hair, but they lied. Okay, they lied because it looks bomb. And I know a lot of people prefer different shades of blonde, but I just feel like this is like the perfect blonde for my skin tone without doing the most. You know what I mean? Like it's giving you blonde Barbie realness, but it's not giving you like Halloween costume wig, you know? So it looks really, really beautiful and I'm super happy with how it turned out. If you guys love this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and turn on those post notifications so that you never miss my next upload. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Thank you all again so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!